Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to import products into Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So right now, as you can see, I'm on my Shopify admin panel. If you head over to your products section and head over to your products, you will be able to see we have this add product option, but we do not have any option to import our products. If you want to import using a CSV file, you can do that, but that is only if you have a CSV file onto your computer. If you have a CSV file, you can click on add file and then choose that particular CSV file. It will be automatically be adding or listing your products like these, as you can see on your screen. Or what you can do is simply search for any app that is going to be importing products for you. So let's just search for any app, and once you do that, you should be heading over to your app store, and from there you are going to be simply getting an app that is going to be importing products for you. Now you should be keeping in mind that could be paid, and you need to pay a certain amount to import products from other sites. And yeah, so the free version is going to be using this import button and adding a CSV file. So that's how you can import products into Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.